Annyeonghaseyo, this is Donna, your Bisayang informant here in South Korea. Kaja! So today we will have another video of cooking. So karon we're gonna make keran pang. But before that, I'm gonna introduce you to the tool that we're gonna use for today. No oven, no problem.
No oven, no problem.
This is the air fryer, which is very common in Korea. This air fryer can cook anything. So this is actually healthier way of cooking because you don't have to put oil or use oil when you cook some French fries. What else? When you cook some meat, seafood or shrimp, and you can also make a steak and other, fish. And what is this? Lain-lain nga fish. So here, just like an oven, we have here the timer, and then we also have here the temperature, kung pila kay depende sa temperature nga imong needed. And then actually kani siya kay gamay-gamay ni siya. So I think for today's keran pang, I'm gonna use like 3 cups. So maigo ra gud niya is 3 cups. So let's see and let's get cooking.
1, 2, 3, come on!
First, kay ibutang ang gatas ug itlog sa mixing bowl and then whisk it thoroughly. Say 1 minute or 1 minute and 30 seconds. Next, kay i-coat ang kilid sa paper cup of melted butter using brush, but wala man tay brush, so magtinidor atong the egg carefully and then ibutang na siya sa cup and then lightly pierce the egg yolk using fork as well para even yung distribution later on. And then ibutang American cheese and the mozzarella cheese including the sausage cut. Now time to put the cups into the air fryer set for 20 minutes at 160 degrees after 20 minutes.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Annyeong!